Hey, what's up? It's Royal, and here in this video, I'm gonna be showing you my top 20 fat burning exercises that are gonna help you slim, trim, and tone your entire body. This is the top 20 exercises for you. Here we go. These exercises are designed to get your heart rate up, to slim your arms, to trim your legs, and to tone your entire body. We're halfway done with our set of 20 fat burning exercises. Remember, these are to help you slim, trim, and tone your body. Make sure you keep your core tight with this exercise at all times. Make sure you send these 20 fat burning exercises to a friend. Like, comment, and share. I'll see you in the next one.